Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. The market continues to be choppy and I'm not seeing any impressive setups that fits my strategy. Every day I look for mid-cap stocks that are on an uptrend with a pretty decent pre-market volume. I look for stocks with a pre-market volume ranging from $500,000 to $1 million and over. But today I'm not seeing any impressive setups. But I still have PLTR on my watch. PLTR was gapping up pre-market and it actually was on a downtrend and looks like now the trend has reversed. But I'll be interested in PLTR only if the stock tries to retest the pre-market high of 26.35, and I'll be looking to buy the dips in case the stock tries to break the pre-market high. So as of now, I'll keep it on watch. But apart from PLTR, I don't have any other stocks in watch going into market open. The market opens in another 25 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and we'll talk to you guys just before market open. We have 2 minutes to market open, and apart from PLTR, I have added BFT to my watch list. So BFT is having around 500,000 shares in volume and it's on an uptrend, but I would like to see more volume for confirmation, and also I would love to see BFT break the pre-market high of 1714. Right now we don't have a confirmation on the uptrend. So going into market open, I do have PLTR and BFT. And on PLTR too, I want to see the stock make a big move before I'm interested. So the pre-market high is around 26.35. And I would love to see PLTR retest the pre-market high. If it does so, I'll be interested in buying any pullbacks. The market opens in another 3 seconds. Market is open. BFT volume is lacking, so I'm not interested in it yet. PLTR is making the move that I was anticipating, but I'm not interested in it yet. BFT is bloodshed. This is why it's important to wait for confirmation. BFT actually broke the previous pre-market low. Not interested in it. It's clearly on a downtrend and I don't want to catch a falling knife. Moving to PLTR. Everything is choppy this morning. So the pre-market high on PLTR is around 26.37. I may be interested in it as it's approaching the pre-market high. Keeping it on watch. Not interested on it yet. Yep, it's making the move. 4 minutes into market open and I've not taken a trade. I'm watching PLTR. I'll be interested probably around the 25.90 area, 25.80 area. I'm waiting for confirmation. Pulling the trigger. I got in at 25.76. My next order for 100 shares would be around 25.60. Yep, I got in at 25.60. 25.50 would be my third ad. Got in at 25.43. My final ad would be around 25.26, which is the pre-market low. I got in at 25.30. That was my final ad. My stop would be below 25. So that's the plan. So my final ad was around 25.3. So we have 2 more minutes for this final candle to close. And I'm expecting a bounce off the 25 support area, the whole dollar support. Just giving it some more time. It should bounce. So I think PLTR caught me. So right now I will move on to a disaster recovery mode. I will place a stop loss around the low of the day, which is around 25.56. So I do have a stop loss in place. I'm not going to hope and hold. I'll take a loser and move on. So maybe I do have some chance. The high of the previous 5-minute candle was around 25.22. So if PLTR wants to retest that high, I think maybe I can come out of the trade green. But right now I'm trading the plan. I do have a stop loss. So this is the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. If volume comes in, I think I should be able to get out of the trade green. So 25.25 can act as a resistance, and if it breaks, probably we'll get an upside move. Or maybe this would be a bull trap. This is not what I wanted to see. Not something I wanted to see. Probably I will get stopped out here. I do have a stop loss in place, which is below the low of the day. But I'm not going to hope and hold. I'm going to respect my stop loss and take a loser and move on. So my stop loss got triggered and I had to take a loser. It's a big loser, bummer for the day. I'm down $453 on the day. It is what it is. Things like this happen. These are perks of being a day trader. Never a good feeling to be down $450. But I'm sure that I could make it up. Certain things I did wrong today was that I did not respect my entry levels. And I went in with more than usual share size. So typically my share size would be capped at 400 shares. And today I went with 500 shares and I did not wait for confirmation. Right now you could see the stock moving further down and the stop loss helped me to minimize my loser. But I could have done a better job at exiting earlier, but it is what it is. Not a great experience and not a great feeling to record this and share it in public. So if you appreciate the content and appreciate my transparency, please do hit the like and subscribe button. It really means a lot. Alright, so I'll be back tomorrow, and tomorrow I think I'll start with a smaller share size and try to recoup my losses on PLTR. I'll call it a day. 30 minutes into market open. Not a great day of trading, losing almost $450 on the day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.